Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today I'm giving you your Patreon in review. So for last week, the videos that I shot were number one, not deciding. What happens when you don't make a decision when you're decluttering? Number two, FlyLady decorating. How do we do that? Number three, making clearing clutter easier. Finding space for your things. Number four, savings, always a popular subject. And number five, slow down. These videos are going to be something that you can add to your arsenal. If it sounds like something that you'd love to see, if you're a patron, jump over and watch them. If you're not already a patron, it's $5 a month through patreon.com. There's also an app for your telephone. There are no advertisings on this, so I think it'll be good for you. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.